This is the Multimatic 215 by Miller Electric. This machine is a multiple process machine, meaning that it can weld with flux cord wire, stainless steel MIG wire using 75-25 argon CO2 or 100% CO2, and a spool gun, TIG, and stick welding. Lots of different options on this machine. This machine also is equipped with auto set. Auto set meaning when I pick the process that I want to weld in, I'm going to pick flux core here. It's telling me that I don't need to use any gas. It's reminding me I need to be in DC electrode negative, and then it's going to jump into this main screen where I can highlight the diameter of wire that I'm using and the material thickness I'm going to be welding, and that will automatically get my wire feed speed and my voltage in the optimal range. The Multimatic 215 is a 220 single phase and 110 input power capable machine and can be purchased with or without the optional TIG kit.